Okay, in this video I want to share to you about how to make the minimalist pivot door tutorial in SketchUp. First of all, we can make the rectangle in here. Click from this position to this another position around 5 meter approximately. Then now we can click and push it up type 150 millimeter, and then now we can triple click and also make group in here. Okay, then now we can select the line and click from this edge, and we can type 2.5 meter in here and drag to the another side, type 3 meter in here and move it down in here. Okay, then now we can triple click, and now we can select the offset tool. We can just select offset it outside 35, enter, and make the line and just place it to the position. We can make the line and close to this position. Okay, then now we can click this center plane, right click and erase. Then now we can click, right click and also erase. Now we can click and select the push tool in here. Click this surface again and push it to the behind, type 120 approximately, but it's determined about the frame dimension anyway. Okay, we have already made the basic frame in here. Okay, then now we can divide the every single door in here. We can make the line in here. Okay, and then I can click and right click and divide. We can divide into 4 parts in here. Click. Okay, then now we can erase this line and erase this line. Then now we can make the rectangle. Click from this corner to this corner. Okay, then now we can triple click and just select the scale. We can scale until to the position in here, and now we can click and just offset it inside around 80 approximately. Now we can click and erase. Then we can click and select push tool and click move to the behind, type 40 and enter in here, and select the rectangle. Click from this point to the another point in here, this position. Okay, then now we can triple click and right click and make group. Okay, then now we can select the color in here. We can select the dark color in here, and we can assign about the glass materials. Okay, we can triple click and click the surface only and place the materials on the plane in here. We can erase some unnecessary line over there in here. Okay, but we have to activate height rest of model. We can make the diagonal line in here. Okay, we can make the diagonal line and select the line and click and move it to the upper position in here. Okay, now we can click and right click and make component to create the component. Then now we can select move, tap control. Okay, click and type X3 and enter in here. Okay, then now we can rotate. We can just rotate all of this pivot door. We can just use the rotate tools in here. Okay, we can rotate about the pivot door. We can rotate about every single pivot door in here approximately, and select the rotate in here. Okay, this is about the pivot door, and then now we can make something like a swimming pool, like a mini swimming pool in here. Okay, we can make group, and now we can select the glass material. We can select the water materials in here, and now we can make we can select this one with the like wood materials in here. We can assign about the concrete. We can assign with the concrete materials over there in here. We can make it more representative. We can type 50 and push it to the another side, type 30 millimeter. Okay, now we can click and assign about the materials in here, and we can just put the color into the dark color for this another color in here. Then now we can make the line to make the wall illustration in here. Okay, it's just for it's just for a complementary anyway. Okay, it's just for complementary. Okay, we can push it to the behind 150 and just triple click and also make group in here. Okay, so this is about the tutorial, and okay, I will make the silhouette. I will put the silhouette people in here. Okay, on this position. Okay, we can move the solid table on this appropriate position to make the illustration. Okay, maybe we can make this one, and we can make the another illustration. Okay, we can select this one. We can select the brick or cladding. Okay, and assign about these materials. Okay, we can select move tab control. Okay, we can just assign. Sorry. Okay, now we can just make the semi-outdoor dining table in here for the representative one. Okay, now we can activate about the shadow in here. Okay, select this. So this is about the tutorial about how to make the minimalist pivot door. So you can rotate for every single pivot door with this axis in here, just like this, for the visualization and also presentation. Okay, thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you very much.